Hello and welcome to the session on Amazon Poly. This video is part of the AWS certified AI/ML bootcamp series. On behalf of CloudExpert Solution team, I would like to thank you for joining us and exploring this video. In this video, we'll explore how to use Amazon Poly for text-to-speech conversion. We'll start with Amazon Poly features like text-to-speech conversion, including lifelike voices. We will modify speech using SSML. We will customize pronunciation using Lexicon. We will also cover SSML and Lexicon in depth that you can use these features for your business use cases. Then we will cover various use cases with real life examples. We will then log into AWS Management Console and we will review Amazon Poly in action. And we will perform hands-on for all the features we discussed. Whether you are new to AWS or looking to enhance your skill, this session is for you. Amazon Poly is a fully managed service provided by AWS that converts text into lifelike speech. It uses advanced deep learning technology to synthesize natural sounding human speech, which makes it a powerful tool for various applications. Let's take a closer look at what Amazon Poly can do for us. To start with, Lifelike Voices, Amazon Poly offers a wide selection of voice in multiple languages, allowing you to choose the ideal voice for your application. You have an option to select between generative, long form, neural, and standard text-to-speech options. Amazon Poly synthesizes natural speech with high pronunciation accuracy, including abbreviation, acronyms expansions, daytime interpretations, and homograph disambiguations. Amazon Poly achieves fast response, which is ideal for low latency use cases such as dialogue systems. You can also customize the speech output by adjusting parameters such as volume, pitch, and speech rate. This allows you to create a more engaging and personalized user experience for your customers. Amazon Poly's neural text-to-speech technology provides even more natural and human-like speech, enhancing the quality of the audio input. You can use SSML or speech synthesis markup language to control various aspects of the speech, such as pronunciation, intonation, or even pauses. You can use SSML tags to add emphasize, change the speaking rate, and even insert breaks between sentences or even paragraphs. You can also use Lexicon, and Lexicon enables you to customize pronunciation of specific words. These are very useful to ensure that brand names, technical terms, or other unique words are pronounced correctly by Amazon Poly. Here is an example of SSML. You can see we have used XML-like tags, but these are speech synthesis markup language what Poly understand. To start a word, what you want Poly to speak, you need to start with speak, that is the tag. And here in this example, we are going to add a break of 1 second between hello world and how are you today. We are going to see this in our demo. Here is an example of Lexicon, and in this example, we want that Poly to pronounce AWS as Amazon Web Services. We will also see without Lexicon and with Lexicon how Poly pronounces AWS. Now, if we combine SSML and Lexicon, then this is an example. In this example, the emphasis tag adds emphasis to Amazon word. The break tag, it adds pauses in the speech. The prosody tag adjusts the rate and pitch of lifelike. And last but not least, we have used phoneme. This phoneme tag ensures correct pronunciation using the lexicon word. In terms of use cases, Amazon Poly can be used in various scenarios like media and entertainment, where you can create voiceover for animations, games, or even for videos. As a real life example, the Washington Post magazine uses Amazon Poly to convert news articles into audio, which allows readers to listen the news. In customer service, you can enhance IVR capability with natural sounding voices such that when the callers will call your application, they won't feel that they are talking with robots. In terms of educational industry, we can develop educational tools and applications that use speech synthesis to engage students. And one of the biggest use cases is accessibility. We can provide audio version of text content for visually impaired users. Now let's see Poly in action. If your AWS account is covered by AWS free tier, then you won't spend any money to perform the demo with us. If you want to follow along, please pause the video here, log into AWS Management Console and join us back. We'll wait for you. I have logged into AWS Management Console and I am at console home. To start with, we'll type Poly in the service search panel. Amazon Poly should appear on top of the search result. Click on the Amazon Poly and here you go. You will land into Amazon Poly landing screen. In today's demo, we will cover all the aspects of Poly we have discussed so far. We will start with text to speech conversion. First, here is the language drop down. You can select any language you want. Based on the language selection, you will see the voice personas. Now let's choose English British. You can see the voice personas are changing. Now let's go back to English United States and you can see the voice personas here. From here, let's select anything. Maybe I'll go with Joanna. You can choose whatever you want and we'll use with the default text and let's try to listen.
Hi, I'm Joanna. I can read any text for you. Test it out.
Now, as we discussed, we have different engine options. We can go with generative, we can go with long form, we can go with neural or standard. Let's review one by one. Now we'll select long form and we'll go with the default voice profile.
Hey, I am Ruth. Test my voice on longer text such as news articles, training materials, or marketing videos.
Now let's try neural.
Hi, my name is Ruth. I will read any text you type here.
And standard. For standard, obviously Ruth is not available, so I'll go with Joanna.
Hi, my name is Joanna. I will read any text you type here.
Okay, so here you can see based on different engine and voice profile, the text will change. If you want a man voice, then we can go with a man or male voice.
Hi, my name is Matthew. I will read any text you type here.
By this way, you can play around. Now let's review the additional settings option. Here you have speech file format. You can go and control the sample rate. Let's assume that I want to speak with more faster pace.
Hi, my name is Matthew. I will read any text you type here.
In this example, we have selected 24K Hz. Let's select 8K Hz.
Hi, my name is Matthew. I will read any text you type here.
You can see the change in pace. And there are different formats you can take. Either you can go with MP3, OCG, PCM. These are the different audio formats we have. Next option is customize pronunciation, which is nothing but Lexicon. We'll come there. But before that, let's explore the SSML feature. Now this is the plain text. The moment I'll toggle that switch, you can see it will be bounded with or it will be surrounded with speak tag. Whatever you are going to put between that speak tag, it is going to speak for us. Let's see an example. Maybe I want to add some pause in between. I'll change this text with something like this. And in this case, I have added a break time of 3 seconds. And you will see that between these two phrases, it will stop for 3 seconds. Let's try. Maybe I'll change the voice profile to Joanna.
Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow.
You can see there was a pause. Now let's try to remove that pause and try.
Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow.
You can see that if we add that pause using SSML, we will be able to customize the way we want Polly to speak. Let's use some phonetic example. Maybe the word pecan. It is pronounced differently by different country, by different language speaking people. Let's try that.
You say pecan. I say pecan.
Next, we will review how we can control volume, speaking rate, and pitch using SSML. Here we have added the tag as prosody and we are providing the rate as slow. Let's try.
For dramatic purposes, you might wish to slow up the speaking rate of your text.
Now, I believe we have seen enough examples of SSML. You can try with whatever you want and you will be able to play around with this. Now, there are other options like you can save this audio in MP3 format directly into an S3 bucket, or you can even download to your laptop or computer. If you would like to save, click that save option. First, you need to specify the S3 bucket name. If you want the audio clip to be stored under any directory path, then you can optionally specify the S3 key prefix. You also have an option to send notification via Amazon SNS after Polly successfully copy the audio clip under the S3 location you have specified. To enable SNS notification, you need to provide the SNS topic ARN. SNS notification and S3 key prefix are optional. After providing necessary details, please click on Save to S3 button and the audio clip will be stored under S3. And download, it is going to directly download into your laptop. Now let's try the Lexicon option. Here is a sample Lexicon file that we have created for this demo. And what we are trying to do, we are trying to use the graphene as AWS. Whenever it will see AWS, it is going to pronounce as Amazon Web Service. Now let's try to use this lexicon and let's see how Polly can customize pronunciation. First, we are going to use Polly to pronounce without that lexicon. Maybe I'll use this input text, hello cloud experts, welcome to the AWS demo. Now, without the lexicon, let's try.
Hello, cloud experts. Welcome to the AWS demo.
Okay. Now let's try to upload lexicon first. For that, I'll go to lexicon. I'll upload lexicon. I'll create a lexicon. Maybe I'll use the name. I'll use the name as CSE Lexicon Demo or CloudExpert Solution Lexicon Demo. I'll choose the lexicon file and then I'll upload the lexicon. Here you go. I'll go back to Amazon Polly text to speech capability. I have the old text. Now from additional settings, I am going to opt for the customized pronunciation. And here I am going to select the lexicon file, whatever I have uploaded. Now using that lexicon, let's try to listen and please listen carefully that AWS, it will be changed to Amazon Web Services.
Hello, cloud experts. Welcome to the Amazon Web Services demo.
Let's try with a different voice profile.
Hello, cloud experts. Welcome to the Amazon Web Services demo.
To wrap up today's session, we have seen how Amazon Polly can be used for text-to-speech conversion with features like Lifelike Voices, SSML, and Lexicon. These capabilities can help you create engaging and natural sounding speech for various applications. I encourage you to try out Amazon Polly and see how it can benefit your projects. Thanks for watching. That wraps up this module. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more update, and feel free to drop any question or feedback in the comments. We would love to hear from you. I hope this session helped you gain a deeper understanding and brought you one step closer to your learning goals. Thank you very much for watching and learning with us at CloudExpert Solution. See you in the next module.